Okay. All right. Take one. We got one thruster on here. Let's see. It's not even gonna lift. Barely lifts. All right. We need more thrusters, I think. All right. Take two. We got three thrusters. Let's see. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. We've got liftoff. Perfect. All right. Let me just add one more thruster. All right. So I added some more thrusters, and it should be balanced now. Let's see if it even lifts off here. Okay. I don't like that. No. We're going to have to do some modifications. Hold on, guys. All right, let's see. It should be balanced a little bit now because there was a lot of weight there on the back, but it should work now. All right, let's try it. Okay. We're going to try this out. All right. Let's see. I've got an idea. All right, guys. I added a few more, and I think we're ready to go fishing. It's going to be great. Alrighty. So let me just have a seat. If it works, does it work? Yeah, see right there. I don't think I need a seat belt. My greatest invention yet. Observe. I think this is better than flying Spirit Airlines, actually.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Yes, kid.